Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a cow plant. Now a cow plant, if you don't know, is from The Sims 4 and it is a life simulation game that I happen to quite like. So I had a look at some pictures and hopefully I'm going to put one here just so you can see what the reference picture is. So I'm going to show you how to make it. So here we go. So I've created the armature. So this is going to be the base, and then this is sort of plant, and this is also to support the head. I've done it like that because the head actually comes out further than the vines here, which is supporting it. So because it would hang outwards, it wouldn't support it very well without this. So this is the basic shape, and obviously I can build on that with clay. So I'm going to make the base first and then work my way up. Okay, so I've encased the metal part, the wire part inside this. You can't see it on the top or the bottom, and this is going to be the base for the plant. But what I'm going to do also is decorate this, so I'll put another layer over the top here, which will be the dirt and then part of the grass, and then I can build on the wire. So what I've done here is created a bit of a dirt look. So I've just picked at all at the clay, picked at it with a cocktail stick, and now it looks more like dirt. So now I'm going to start on the wire part here. So firstly, apologies if the light has changed yet again. I have filmed this over several days, so it's nice and bright at the moment, so hopefully you won't see much change, but we're going to make a start today. So this is set for a couple of days, so I'm just going to use this water with some cotton buds just to clean up the white parts here. White clay does get really dusty really quickly, so I'm just going to clean that up, and then I'm going to start on the mica powder and the glitter. Thanks for watching the tutorial, so I'll show you what it looks like now. So from the front here, his mouth isn't as open as I wanted it to be, but I found it really difficult to keep the mouth open and also the teeth in place. They were really hard to do, but I managed it as best I could. And then around the outside here, so the armature is really strong, obviously being on wire, so he didn't sort of fall down in the oven or anything like that. And then to hold his tail up, I just literally popped some foil underneath here and gave it a little curl, and it stayed put. So I'll just bring it over this side a little bit so you can see with the background. Obviously with me in the background you can't really see too well. Part of the cow plant has a bell, so you can't see that very well from the back, but the bell is there. And so I'm quite happy how this turned out. He did burn a bit in the oven, so his horns are a little bit darker than they should be, but it was because it's really, really light Fimo, so next time I'll make sure that I don't do that. But to be honest, you can't really sort of notice the difference, and you can see that, you know, perhaps it was supposed to be like that. So there we go. So this is how you create a cow plant from polymer clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. It's a life simulation game. Life simulation game. So I'm just going to put my teeth in. Oh, I just lost my face in that bucket of tea. So I'm going to show you how to make a cow plant today. And for those of you that don't know what a cow plant is, I'm an avid Sims 4 flan. I'm a flan of Sims 4. Brilliant. Anyone got any gin? Start again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Oh, I need a better outro. And that is it. Oh my goodness me, how can I mess that up? And that's the end.